video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Abominable Snow Monster from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Let's get into it. So first, I'm going to draw his arms. And they're going to be folded in so his hands are at his mouth. And now I'm going to start drawing his fingers. He has 3 fingers on each hand. And then I'm going to draw his nails. And now I'm going to start doing his head. You can make him as fuzzy as you want. Now I'm going to draw his face. He has 2 small nostrils and 2 big oval eyes, and his eyes are pointing in different directions. Now I'm going to draw his mouth. And then he has his big tongue inside. And now I'm going to start going on to his body. He has 2 small feet. Now I'm going to start drawing all of his toes. He has 4 toes on each of his feet. And then you can draw little nails. And then the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. There's the Abominable Snow Monster from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.